right, Lydia, here is lesson 73, number 1 and 2. Number 1 says draw a pair of parallel line segments that are neither horizontal nor vertical. So let me see if I can get this to come on the whole screen. There we go. So here we have so horizontal lines, if you notice, they're going straight across from left to right. And one way to remember it, man, I'm having trouble with this, is if you know the sun sets on the horizon, then this line going here, that's horizontal, like a horizon. And then vertical, if you're in a like jet fighter and you go vertical, you go straight up in the air. So vertical lines are straight up and down. So they're saying they want two lines that are not horizontal and they're not vertical. So these would be lines that are not horizontal and they're not vertical. If you remember, we've had them once before. They're called oblique lines. So either one of these two would be correct. Okay? Let's look at the next one. Number 2 says Nathan needs to buy grapes and bananas for the class picnic. What is the total cost of 3 pounds of grapes and 2 pounds of bananas? The grapes are 45 cents a pound and the bananas are 39 cents a pound. So if we look here, I made a little chart. It's backwards on mine, that's why I'm having a little bit of a hard time. So what I did is I wrote grapes and then 3 pounds, and it's 45 cents a pound. So what you have to do is find the price of each one separately and then add them together. So there's 3 pounds of grapes times 45 cents a pound. That's going to be $1.35 for the grapes. Then the bananas, there was 2 pounds that are 39 cents each. So you do 2 times 39 cents, and that's 78 cents. So you add your $1.35 for the grapes plus 78 cents for the bananas, and you get $2.13, which is the answer to number 2. Hope that helps.